In many of our previous episodes, we have covered many large homes, apartments of various sizes, but today we will be sharing with you a unique 1.5-story townhouse at the suburbs of Selangor in Malaysia. This quiet township is tucked away approximately 30 minutes away from the city area, which has gained recognition from the world by winning several awards, including the Best Housing Development in Kuala Lumpur. Hello, this is Alex Lee from New Infinity. Today's episode on Design Seat, we will be sharing with you how a compact house is spaciously designed to cater for two. The couple are both at their early 30s, working abroad and occasionally coming back to Malaysia to stay in for a month or two and then traveling for work again. It is a norm nowadays to be working from home. The ground floor is specially designed to allow both the couple to work from every part of the home. A round table is subtly placed in a room that is surrounded by glass. This makes the room capable to be enclosed and be undisturbed during video conferencing and when a quiet place to focus is in need. It was intentional to use glass around the room to create a more spacious impression of the area. That way, being in the room, it wouldn't feel so claustrophobic. Another interesting function was to use the glass dividers as a whiteboard when needed. This space converts itself into an intimate dining table that could comfortably fit 4, and when extended seats are required, the kitchen island could also fit another 4. When they return to Malaysia, this home caters for a simple, intimate gathering to house for friends and family. The client practices mid to light cooking, hence the kitchen was designed more leaning towards the pasta cooking and pastry baking rather than the usual Asian cooking style. Similar to the study room that converts into a dining, this kitchen was designed mainly to turn into a bar where the client could have his friends over to enjoy his favorite wine collection. To achieve the ideal bar concept of such, a quirky tile selection was made to highlight the space distinctively different from the rest of the home that was finished in solid timber flooring. Matte black finishes were used for the entire kitchen carpentry, with even the ceilings and walls highlighted in black. When the lights are dim, the kitchen converts mystically into a manly bar area. In many of our previous videos, many shared interest in the kitchen designs that we have done. If you would like to see a compilation of the top 10 kitchen and bedroom designs, do leave your comments below and we shall grant your request. The bedroom design concentrates on the term minimalist. Simple black-white colors and clean straight lines paired with dark timber flooring. The bed frame is customized with microfiber cushion at the backrest to give full comfort and more back support when the client sits up to do readings. The base of the bed frame designed so slim that regardless of the thickness of the mattress, the entire bed frame looks so modern and slender. Sufficient details peppered across the bedroom, like the white timber skirting that gives a clear division of the black feature wall and dark timber flooring. The bathroom walls were demolished to be opened up proudly to the visual from the bedroom, which makes both spaces intimately connected. A large floor-standing mirror that is placed slanted against the wall gives an interesting character to the interior of the bedroom. The inverted plaster ceiling feature that neatly tucks a tastefully selected track light makes the details to the bedroom feel so orderly. Tasteful selected furnitures with no built-in carpentry, other than the customized wardrobe, makes the bedroom moderately complete, yet not cluttered. The living area holds the most spacious portion of the entire property. As you enter the home from the entrance, a clear balance of white walls on the left and a long timber feature of varnish in black creates a good contrast to the home. Not to overwhelm the property with only black and white contrast, the solid wood flooring was paired to give the entire home a warm and lively touch. I really love the feeling of stepping into a home, immediately feeling the sturdiness and comfort from the solid wood flooring. It is not customary for Malaysian homes to be completed with timber flooring on the ground floor. Most of the time, it's either tiles or marble. This complements the living hall a lot, especially when there's minimal furniture that clutters most spaces. The TV hall was initially cramped within an 8-foot wall right behind the entrance door. And that would mean that the entire sofa set would be obstruent. To tackle this matter, we designed a TV feature wall that extends itself all the way to the end of the staircase. This timber strip feature wall is tastefully done in varnished black finish. This extension of the timber strips not only play a role as an extension for the TV wall, it also functions as a divider to the stairwell and hits a hidden compartment that neatly hides the switches to the entire living hall. This is one of my favorite spaces in this home. When the lights are turned on, you could see faded figures going up and down the staircase, and when the lights are switched off, it just shows a simple, lengthy TV feature wall that gives the entire living hall a roomy impression. Another unconventional touch is implemented to this staircase. We wanted a narrow staircase to be a tunnel that leads you to a piece of art. The flooring was left in cement finish and it was painted in white epoxy that complements well with the walls and ceilings, making this tunneling effect I was telling you about earlier possible. A dead corner underneath the staircase is now styled to be a conversational art piece from all different perspectives. In this property, we have learned that every home does not need to be accustomed and conventional. Black paint on ceilings may not be entirely a bad idea. Patterned floorings may not destroy your mood board. Untiled floorings for the staircase wouldn't turn out too crude. Turning dead corners into fancy art spots could potentially give character to your home. Timber flooring on the ground floor may also be an option to explore, and hiding multiple switches into a hidden compartment would also keep the walls neat and stylish. If you'd like to watch more videos of such, do support us by subscribing and clicking on the notification button. My name is Alex Lee and I am from New Infinity. Thank you for watching.